Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com. This week I'm doing another Instant Pot video for my channel. It's going to be really quick. I am going to show you the proper way to cook lobster tails in the Instant Pot right after this. So in this video, I am using the Instant Pot Mini like I do in a lot of my other videos. If you're interested in that Instant Pot, I do have it linked down in the description box below. I got mine off of Amazon. And so with the lobster tails, I am cracking and cutting slits into the underside of the lobster tail. This is an important technique to prevent your lobster tails from curling up in the Instant Pot while being cooked. If you end up with a curled up lobster tail, it does make it pretty difficult to try to crack it open to get the meat out. So just by cutting some slits in there and cracking on the underside of it, it makes it a lot easier to get the meat out. Because I'm from Maryland and I like Old Bay on everything, I am putting Old Bay on my lobster tails. Not a whole lot, I'm just making sure that there is a good amount on the underside and there is a good amount on the meat that is coming out of the top part of the tail. So I'm just eyeballing it, and that's the only seasoning I'm adding. Once you've put some seasoning on your lobster tails, if you want to, we're going to go ahead and prep up the Instant Pot. We want to put in a cup of water just in the bottom of the pot, and you are going to want to use your inside rack. Some people use a steamer if they have one, but I prefer using the rack piece. And so you'll just place your two lobster tails on there, the shell side down, and the side that has like your seasonings and that you cracked should be facing up. And you're gonna go ahead and put that in there for 3 minutes on normal pressure. So as you can see, the lobster has finished cooking, and I am going to go ahead and get the lid off of the pot. With seafood, it tends to go pretty quick in the Instant Pot, especially if you're not working from frozen. I went ahead and did a quick release. I just turned the knob to venting as soon as it was done and went ahead and had that pressure drop real quick, just because we don't want to end up with overcooked lobster that could come out really disgusting. And that is it with the lobster tail in the Instant Pot. I just made a quick meal with a vegetable and some mashed potatoes, and in the ramekin in the middle I have melted butter with some lemon pepper and garlic and a little bit of salt, just because I like butter on my lobster, and I'm done. It's a quick dinner. Surprisingly, normally when you think of lobster you think of something very involved, but with the Instant Pot you can have lobster every night if you have the budget for it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I hope it was really helpful and quick. And if you like food videos, I do a lot of Instant Pot, I do a lot of air fryer. If you like home videos, if you like travel videos, this is a channel for you, and you should consider subscribing. See you next time. Bye.